in case of functions, so the exception is not just limited to what happens inside the try block directly, but indirectly, if the try block is calling a function that's outside of the try block, then that is still helpful, and we can catch those errors or exceptions, and or we can say we can raise those errors that happen indirectly as well. So here what we have is a function which is this underscore fails, which is this one, and then inside of this function we have created a line of code that is going to generate an error. And as we have seen, this is a division by zero error. We are dividing the value of 1 by 0. And so when this line of code runs in the try block, we are calling this function, and this is going to be the one that generates the error or raises an exception, which is the zero division error. So the control goes to the except clause. Here it would match the name that is written here, and so the code inside of this except block would get executed, and hence we see in the output handling runtime error colon and the description of the error that is inside of this variable err that gets printed, which is division by 0. So that's the reach of how the exceptions can be catched indirectly, even outside of the try block.